Here I have VIVAX Point X503, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn it off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time, like this. Let's try one more time. When you see this kind of Android robot with the no command message under it, what you have to do is to hold down power key and press volume up once, and that's how you enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode you have such options as reboot system now. Here at the recovery mode you can navigate using volume keys, and you can select options using power key. And here you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.